Hi guys, I'll be making Afang soup, that's Kazi soup, as the Akwa Ibom girl that I am. But I'm going to be improvising with some of the ingredients I can find here because it's very hard to find them here. But I brought okazi leaf, dried okazi leaf, that's dried Afang leaf. So let's dive right into it. And another thing, it might not look like the one we know. Reasons being that I'm improvising. So please don't judge me. We listen and we don't judge, or we look and we don't judge. So these are the ingredients I'll be using for the recipe. I have my goat meat here. I have my palm oil, my dried blended crayfish, my dried okazi leaf brought from Nigeria, spinach, and this. I know you'll be wondering, what's this lady doing with fresh fish? Hear me out, I'll explain. So why I'm using this fresh fish, or will I say iced fish, for this recipe, it's because I need that smoked fish taste. Yeah, so it happened to be the one I brought from Nigeria is finished, and like I said earlier, we're improvising. We're trying to make it work. So this is me just adding my seasoning cube, my red chili flakes, my salt, yeah, and I mix. After that, I'll transfer it to my baking tray. And then toss it into the oven and let it grill. Fingers crossed. Yeah. Time to steam meat, goat meat. So onions, chili flakes, yeah, dried chili flakes. That's pepper, salt to taste, seasoning cube, yeah, a little bit of water. I wish I was this fast in slicing veggies. I wish. So this is me slicing the spinach. And here we go, we're done. So checking on my fish. Almost ready. Almost. Yeah, almost ready. And please don't mind what I did here. I only did it for, I think, extra 4 minutes or 5 minutes. So don't mind the digits you're saying. Check on my meat. It's boiling. Yeah. I think I added 1 extra seasoning cube to it, because when I tasted it, it was not really, giving me what I wanted. So I added extra seasoning and salt. So this is what I do. The dried okazi leaf, afang leaf, I'll just pour it in a plate and add hot water to like soften it a bit. Yeah. So, and then mix. And our fish is ready. The bones in this fish. The bones in this fish. I had to debone it. Yeah, because the bones were too much in the fish. I had to debone it. Yeah. And now the main cooking. So I added my freshly chopped spinach. As you can see, red palm oil. Not so much, a little. Cover and allow to steam for like a minute. So after a minute, I checked back on it and I gave it a good stir. Added my smoked fish. Our smoked fish, crayfish. Yeah, very generous amounts, because I think this is what will just help me at this point. Enough crayfish. Pepper, that is dried chili flakes. Cover and allow to simmer. If you notice, I didn't really add extra seasoning, because the meat stock already has the seasoning in the meat stock is already perfect. So I didn't add extra seasoning cube or salt. It was just the smoked fish and the crayfish, and I added my okazi leaf, then a little bit of oil again. Then I mixed, and our soup is almost ready. And here is what we have. So yeah, I want to make my semolina. The swallow I'll be using for it. Semolina powder or semolina flour. Yeah. Mix. And perfecto. Here is what we have. And so we are done. Let's taste it. It's actually nice, though this soup is not really thick. It's supposed to be thicker than this, but it's okay. And it tastes really nice. Yeah, for real, it tastes really nice. So let's try it. And just look at the way I'm squeezing myself. I need to get a good tripod. All right, let's dig in. This is good. Oh my god. Wow. Thank God I brought this leaf. This dried okazi leaf from Nigeria. Like, wow. This tastes really good. Wow. I love this. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You know I'm a newbie, so help me grow. All right, bye.